Hi, I'm Karna Reddy here from Balaji Motors, running this workshop since more than 2 decades. We had been using lots of wheel machines earlier, but we were not happy, and finally, around more than 10 years back, we bought the Hunter wheel alignment machine, and the results were extremely amazing. One of the main things is it doesn't require calibration, and maintenance is next to negligible. Okay. Very less maintenance, and of course the repeat jobs in the wheel alignment also drastically reduced. Turnaround time was very fast when we were doing wheel alignment, pretty easy. And because of that experience, around 2 years back, we again went for a wheel balancer machine of Hunter, and it's very nice machine. Even the higher vehicles like Harrier, it is able to balance precisely. When I say precisely, it means most of the wheel balancing machines, when you balance wheels of higher vehicles at speeds beyond 100, they will have a mild wobbling. But with Hunter, we were able to even eliminate this aspect. Even the spares during the repairs are not very costly, and the service is very prompt from the team from Madhus. Whenever and there was an issue like updating a new model, the team from Madhus were very prompt to come and update it in the system.
मी नितीन, मी 20 वर्षापासून बालाजी मोटरमध्ये काम करतो आहे. मी अगोदर केबलची मशीन वापरत होतो. आता मी 2012पासून हंटरची मशीन वापरतो. मी समाधानी आहे. मधूची सर्व्हिस चांगली आहे. स्प्रे पार्ट वेळेवर मिळतात. मधूसला आमच्याकडून खूप शुभेच्छा आणि धन्यवाद.
माझं नाव बाजीराव. मी बालाजी मोटर्समधून बोलतो आहे. ही 1 वर्ष झालं हंटरचं आपण मशीन यूज करत आहोत. एक्सा हेरियर कुठल्याही गाडीचं असले तरी एका ह्याच्यात होऊन जाते. वारंवार वेट मागत नाही. आणि ह्याच्या आधी आम्ही जुनं मशीन यूज करत होतो. त्यात वारंवार सारखं जुनं आपण एकदा जर बॅलेन्सिंगला जर टायर लावलं तर वारंवार वेट मागत होतं. तर ती ह्याच्यानंतर आम्ही नवीन मशीन यूज करायला लावू. ह्याच्यात काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही आम्हाला. हंटरचं मशीन यूज करतो. धन्यवाद.
My name is Ranjan Das from Balaji Motors. We are long time associated with Madhus. The Hunter machine is very good quality and we are very satisfied. We are the long time with using this equipment. So this is very comfortable. Our technician and our team are very comfortable with this equipment. We are best wishes with Madhus. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhu, and best wishes.